Next, we'll discuss about noise and music. Dear children, we can hear different types of sound around us. Is the sound always pleasing to your ear? Some sounds are pleasing to the ear, while some sound are not. For example, if the sound is coming from a construction site, is it pleasing to the ear? No. And what about the sound from the horns of vehicles, bus, trucks, etc. Vehicles like bus, trucks, etc. It is also not pleasing to the ear. Such unpleasant sound is what is called as noise. So the sound which is pleasing to the ear is what is termed as music. For example, the sound from the different musical instruments like harmonium or the strings of guitar, etc. are pleasing to the ear, and that is what is termed as music. But what happens when we play music too loud? That becomes a noise. What is noise pollution? Dear children, you already learnt about what is air pollution. That is the presence of unwanted gases or particles in the air. Similarly, the presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment is called as noise pollution. So, what are the sources of noise pollution? The major sources of noise pollutions are the sound from vehicles, machines, that the bursting of crackers, loudspeakers, etc. What about the sources of noise pollution at home? If the TV and the transistor radio are played at high volume, or many kitchen appliances produce sound, desert coolers, AC, etc. contribute towards the noise pollution. What are the harmful effects of noise pollution? Presence of excessive noise may lead to many health disorders. For example, lack of sleep, anxiety, hypertension or high blood pressure, then many other health problems. If a person is continuously exposed to loud sound means that will result in the permanent or temporary impairment of hearing. How can we control the noise pollution? To control the noise, first we have to control the source of noise. That is, silencing devices can be installed in machines, aircraft engines, transport vehicles, then many kitchen appliances, etc. How can we control the noise pollution in the residential area? That is, all the noisy operations should be conducted away from the residential area. Then, industries should be set up far away from the residential area. Then, the use of automobile horns in vehicles should be minimized. Then, TV and other music system can be played at reduced volume. Then, we can plant trees along the roadside and also in and around the building to cut off the sound that is reaching the residents. Thus, we can control the noise pollution. So in this lesson, we have learned about how is sound produced, how does sound travel from one place to another, then how is sound produced in human beings, why are some sound louder than others, then how do we hear, and also we have studied about the different properties of sound like amplitude, frequency, pitch, etc. Then also about noise and music and what is noise pollution, how can we control noise pollution, etc. Hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.